Rover Apps allows you to develop mobile solutions targeting multiple mobile devices without having to learn new development tools or languages. With our Visual Studio integration, you can start to mobile enable your existing line of business systems and enterprise data today. Over the next few minutes, you will see how to build, deploy, and test a mobile application all from within Visual Studio. To begin, simply create a new Visual Studio project and select the Rover Connector template. The Rover Connector project generates a complete solution that is ready to build and deploy. A Rover Connector is deployed to a Rover Gateway and accessed through a Rover Retriever client. The Rover Gateway and client provide the rich mobile user interface and secure communications platform that allows you to simply focus on your data and business logic. A Rover Connector project includes three components: a manifest, a configuration template, and public interfaces called by the Rover Gateway. The manifest defines the name, version, and other information that identifies the connector. The configuration template allows the Rover Gateway to present configuration options for your connector to the Rover Gateway admin. The public interfaces are called by the Rover Gateway to let your connector respond to configuration or user requests. The connector can set initial configuration values, validate configuration values set by the Gateway admin, handle requests from mobile users, and display information about the connector in the Gateway Management Console. The Template Connector project is ready to build out of the box. The Rover SDK also includes a Visual Studio tool to deploy your connector to a Rover Gateway. The Rover Gateway Management Console is used to configure and manage connectors. The description defined in the manifest is shown in the list of items available to a gateway. Selecting a connector brings up the configuration defined in the connector project. Saved configuration parameters are validated by the connector and then ready to access from a mobile device. Rover Retriever is used to access the connector. Selecting the menu for My Data accesses the My Connector sample. Rover Retriever and Rover Gateway take care of all the security, communications, and device-specific issues and let the connector simply focus on the data and business logic. Rover provides several content types including menu, directory, file, table, page, and form. Rover content objects are provided to make constructing these content types quick and easy in Visual Studio. To change the sample My Connector, to create a new Rover form object to allow the user to enter search parameters, we just need to return a Rover form instead of the default message returned by the template. To do this, we simply create a Rover form and add the form controls we want. After we build and deploy the new connector, the new content is now available on the mobile device. Rover Retriever provides a rich native look and feel on whatever device is being used. iPhone users get the rich user experience they expect, and likewise, Android users see the look and feel they expect. Whether that means using the system date picker, using hard or soft buttons appropriately, or a number of other device-specific features and functions, Rover applications provide the richest experience possible across all supported mobile devices without any extra development effort. Testing a Rover connector can also be done entirely from the Visual Studio environment. Developers can attach their Visual Studio Connector project to the Rover Gateway and step through a connector in real time in response from a mobile request. Now that Rover has removed many of the barriers to mobile development, just one question remains: how can mobile enabling your data give you a competitive advantage?